Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let me start it over. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the cryptocurrency, which is known as Moonshot cryptocurrency. If this is your first time here, make sure to make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on for your daily crypto updates, because we daily update you about cryptocurrency. Now, this is called the Moonshot cryptocurrency. As I said before, no cryptocurrency in my site is, I think you should at least check out each and every cryptocurrency, see what you like and flow in that area. So about Moonshot cryptocurrency, we have done previous videos on this. So yeah, let's get into this video. Now, the market cap for Moonshot is currently $11,446. It's fairly small. It's currently ranked at 2,446 on coin market cap, as well as I believe other platforms. The trading volume in the last 24 hours was 3,009,622. The price there, you can see the price for Moonshot, as well as it's down 3% in the last 24 hours. The volume / the market cap is 267 and 39 cents. When we look at the live price data for the last 24 hours, you see it's $5.95 E-8 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of 43,644 USD. If you want to know where you can buy Moonshot, you can buy it at bitmart, P2P, B2B, and other crypto places. So now, in terms of Moonshot and what it has been doing, we can see within the last, let's look at it from in the last let's look at it from, yes, so the hourly exchange for Moonshot cryptocurrency, it's currently like 0.02%. The daily exchange rate is 18.1%, and the weekly exchange is 20%. The price for Moonshot today is 0.00 USD with a total market cap of 11,395. The Moonshot price is currently 00 EUR. Moonshot symbol is Moonshot. So the thing about Moonshot, I believe personally that Moonshot is going to do great things. It still is going to do great things, because in the last 24 hours you can see it's up 18.53%, and in the last 7 days it is up 20%. It is up 20%. So in terms of prediction, let me go into some predictions when it comes to the cryptocurrency Moonshot. Just right before I get into the predictions, let me go ahead and just show you their website. If you haven't already seen their website, let's go ahead and look at their Twitter account to see if they've posted any news concerning Moonshot cryptocurrency. So yes, as well as let's also take a look at their Reddit account. Let's also take a look at their Reddit and see what's going on there as well. So the last thing they posted is how to buy Moonshot with your Trust wallet, and they also had a video on how to do so. What I'm going to do, I'm probably going to link their Twitter in the description below. Okay, here we have an update right now from Moonshot. Statistics update: we crossed 170k transaction. That's 70k Moonshot holders, 13.5k Telegram members, and almost 30k followers. So team together, everyone achieves more. Correct. 23 more holders until the next burn. Moon Squad, the best squad. So currently, as you can see, Moonshot is doing great things. They say, come join our moon mission. Take Moonshot and join the Moonshot squad. So I guess if you are a part of the Moonshot squad, make sure to drop a hashtag moon mission or a hashtag moonshot in the comment section below, so that I know that you are a Moonshot fanatic or a Moonshot goer or a Moonshot cryptocurrency holder. So let me know. In terms of their Telegram, you can see Reddit Moonshot Lounge. In the last 4 hours, heard the moon has diamond. Let's go. Can someone delete all this promo? Other coins. So yes, there you can see they also had the same picture posted from their Twitter's account, if I am correct on that. Correct, yes. So if you are sleeping on Moonshot, I don't think now is the time to sleep on Moonshot. You should at least do some research about Moonshot and get into it, see what it has to offer, and let's get into it. So let me go ahead and get the price prediction as promised. Great. So in terms of our predictions, let me go ahead and read this here for you. Historically, index for the Moonshot price prediction. Should I invest in Moonshot cryptocurrency? Should I buy Moonshot today? According to our forecast system, I'm reading from a website, Moonshot is a bad long-term 1-year investment. 1 year. Okay, 1 year. Moonshot predictions are updated every 3 minutes with latest price by smart technical analysis. It's important to know that due to the low market cap, Moonshot price can be easily manipulated. Q&A about Moonshot projections. If you are looking for virtual currencies with good return, Moonshot can be a profitable investment option. Moonshot price is equal to 0.00001 USD at 2020, I should say to date. If you buy Moonshot for $100 today, you will get a total of, let me get this here because this is not, hold on. Yes, so as I was saying there, if you buy 100 worth of Mooncoin today, you will get a total of 1,670,829,818 Moonshot coins. Based on our forecast, a long-term increase is expected. The price for 2026 to date is 0.0002 USD. Within a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 100%. Your current investment may be up to $200 in 2026. I hope that this video brought you some kind of value. I believe it did brought you some kind of value because I understood something there while I was doing this research as well. So I hope it did benefit you as well. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a comment below, especially if you are a part of the Moonshot cryptocurrency crew. So I will see you in the next video. Moonshot, Whiteboard Wealth signing out. Have a great day cryptoing, and peace. Subscribe.